My name is Steve Lewis. I'm the instructor in the Electrical Systems Technology program at Alpena Community College. It is a bachelor's program. You can get your bachelor's, complete bachelor's right here in Alpena. This program is designed to prepare students to work in the electrical power industry in a role that supports the engineering function within that industry. Doing design work, troubleshooting work, day-to-day operations, make sure things work correctly. There is a major challenge for the electric power grid that, as demand constantly changes, generation changes in response to that, so that the amount of electrical power produced matches the amount of electrical power demanded. That is a continuous, constant challenge that requires skilled workers to meet that challenge. And we provide this understanding of electrical theory combined with the hands-on work to thrive in that field. It is a great career. The electric power industry pays well and provides outstanding benefits. Healthcare and retirement benefits are second to none. I believe the type of student that would be successful in this program and fulfilled in this program is a student that is interested in an engineering type role, but perhaps doesn't feel comfortable with the intense theory that's required for a regular engineering degree. This is slightly less rigor than that, still rigorous, but slightly less and a little more hands-on. You get to actually work with the equipment that is used in the electric power industry and be exposed to it and a chance to be comfortable with it. One other opportunity that is now available, it has not been available until now, is these courses are offered will be offered this fall in a distance education format, so that students that are constrained by a full-time job would still be able to meet the requirements of this course, be able to do it in a manner that's compatible with their schedule. I thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and feel free to contact me anytime to talk about it in more depth.